Ta dewu buram yo disi da chimkia ukut igni meeting yang awan ne hai ni hak kamra yang kihi wada himkiau ukut ugi semen factory wa igi JSOE ta nagadaw wa pumbat kini ga ay kita kador wa ay sarkari i karu kam te kam idangu continue being strike na like berpari pajba le yo cha gi gijing itu ugani pumbat da kular gi menstep pumbat ugani gi semen factory wi chong menstep ki hadin yang menstep yo pa ki gua pumbat yang ki talada batki andre ye ka yang strike lanam batki de continue being strike.
Sir, the strike has been, we come to know the strike report through the only media, newspaper. That's an, after that we approached to the authority DC. He has called the urgent meeting on 4th. On that 4th, it has been decided, okay, we will discuss the meeting, etc. But nothing is been happened. Again, DC has called a meeting today. Certain demands what they are making, we have already given the payment to them as per the discussion made, as per the government of the notifications, Meghalaya, that loading in Meghalaya and unloading in Meghalaya will be paid accordingly. Now they are telling 0 point etc., which we don't remember. There was no such discussion previously about the 0 point etc. However, we have made a commitment in writing. If previously there is some less dispatch in particular in Banihal, that around 700 ton per day, which we have agreed about 1100 metric ton per day. And on the basis of that, the plant has been, discussion has been made. Now, today's discussion, we have also agreed today that if they are not agree, we will discuss among our members to increase further more quantity to dispatch in Banihal. But sir, this is purely depends on the requirement of the market. This is not necessary just we are to dispatch whatever the quantity is needed as per the association. This is as per the requirement of the market. We can dispatch whatever they like if they consume more. In Meghalaya only 8 to 10% cement consumption. And our lot of the cement is going for outside. Anyway, that the present DC has agreed about the 6 persons from the association side, and from our side we will discuss among them. Tomorrow again we will sit down with the DC and we try to come on the conclusion.
Kindly tell us how the strike has been going on since the 6th. How has it affected the production and the plant so far? Has there been any impact on the plant?
It has given a very largely impact in entire Northeast region. Because as you know, the motive of Prime Minister Modi is to focus on Northeast, and so that's why lots of infrastructure projects are going on. And most of the projects are using only Meghalaya produced cement. And all these products have come now in the world, and it has affected largely. Even we are receiving phone calls from the ministers from different projects here regarding supply of the cement, when it will be done. Even in Meghalaya also, the people who are from Shillong and all, they are also suffering badly because it is a dry season and lots of construction work goes on. So entire Northeast is suffered badly with this strike.
They have stopped all the vehicles, cement and clinker here on the way. Even that, certain raw materials vehicles was coming from the outside. They have also been stopped. And if these will be not been allowed by the government, which this thing or by them also, this industry will suffer a lot, may close also.